Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today is the day that I'm sure hoping some of you have been waiting for. Today is the giveaway day. As promised, I'm going to show my love and support by doing a giveaway for reaching 60 subscribers. We're currently at 61, so I just want to take a second to thank everyone who is currently subscribed to my channel for all your love and support. I'm just going to show everyone the giveaway items that will be inside. This is the bag that I'm giving. And of course, we have the Norvina palette. This is a mini palette. This is the Pro Pigment palette number 1. So I have the big palette of this, and this is the smaller version of it, but it is a wonderful formula. Whoever gets this will not be disappointed. There is that one, and then we do have several other things that I have included. Next we have the YC collection Let Me First primer, a pair of Tarte skincare eye masks, an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Poet, and it is sealed shut. I'm just going to leave it that way for whoever wins. Okay, and then I have a Josephine highlighter and Meet Clear shade. And then we also have a little lip balm from Public Goods. Dragon Beauty color corrector in lavender. And last but not least, an Ofra lipstick, and this is in the shade Verona. And the rules to win this giveaway are simple. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to this channel. And number 2, you have to comment in this video the word makeup. If you do those things, then you will be automatically entered inside of my giveaway, and the results will be mentioned next Monday. When I do my reviews, I will be revealing the winner. That's everything I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.